Have you ever thought about being able to make money while playing games that you love? I mean, Fortnite, Call of Duty, and list keeps on going. So hey, what is up guys, this is Akil here back with another video. Today in this video, we will be showing you guys how to make money while playing games and how you can do it very easily and keeping things really simple. So without much further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Approaching the drop.
But what we cannot lie on is that we all love playing games. I mean, almost every one of us love playing games, and we often want to take this as a profession, but then we just cannot do it for the fact that just playing games won't pay your bills, and that is totally true. However, though, what you also have to agree on is that it is 2019 and things have far more changed. Nothing is the way it was few months back. I do agree that all these things did exist few months back and all that, but really didn't catch my attention and maybe a lot of yours as well. So here's the deal. My brother is fond of playing games like Call of Duty, Black 4, Battlefield and all this sort of stuff, so I just really thought of making this very productive. Now, in this age of us living, it is very simple that earning money while playing game isn't a huge issue. You can do that by Twitch or YouTube or any other platform. But the idea of testing games, betas and also products which will be sent to you by your favorite gaming companies, that is quite amazing. You can surely find so many websites and links and literally so many sources that you would probably not even know which one works and which one doesn't. However, funny thing here is that almost all of them really don't work, but they say that it does. When it comes to the gaming jobs online, I know that it does work and I have personally used it. I'm not a huge fan of gaming whatsoever, but before I review something, I have to use it and see if it really does work. You won't get rich overnight, but you can surely make a decent amount of money each month out of gaming, and to be honest, that will pay your bill off. If speaking about numbers here, you can very easily be making $4,000+ each month. That is the estimated, which I got after playing for 1 month. And you can surely have your part-time or full-time job that you are doing and still be earning an extra $4,000 a month. So really don't be blown away that you have to give away your job and all that kind of stuff to be a part of this. Please note that this is the estimated amount that I have guessed by my 1 week's income from this. As I have said before, this might be more or less depending on how good you play, how much you play and how often you are playing. Well, when you join gamingjobsonline.com and start working with our unique job system, you easily become a part of many opportunities that includes the following. You get paid to play new and upcoming games, which pretty much means that companies will send you beta versions which you play to tell them about errors or any issues faced, and the companies will be paying you for the feedback that you provide. You can take surveys which will allow you to make $5 to $75 each depending on the company and the duration of the type of the survey. Participating in a focus group will allow you to make $150 an hour. With that, you can also try out new consoles and accessories that will be sent to you and also keep them for free. Now, participating in focus group is one of the biggest point where you should focus, where I have personally focused, and making $150 an hour is a great thing. To be honest, your job at coffee shop or restaurant, wherever it is, I bet you that you do not get $150 an hour unless you're doing forex or some kind of this stuff. So yeah, and just like this, there are millions of ways to make money with gaming jobs online. Out of tons of companies, Gaming Job Online have personally worked with Gameloft, EA Sports, Frostbite, Activision, Apple, Sony, Epic Games, and the list goes on. When you go down the website, you can choose the type of payment you want. The reward, which in other words money, can be sent to you by Amazon gift card, Starbucks gift card, PayPal, PlayStation Plus card, and even direct bank transfers. But for that, you need to be at least $1,000. Now, let's come to the point of how long it takes to start earning money after you have signed up. And to be honest, it doesn't take more than 24 hours according to the website, but for me it took almost 2 days, which is totally fine. But please don't be on a rush. You can never become a millionaire overnight, and you can never make money overnight. Money is something that you have to work hard for. You have to put your effort into it, and the money will start coming in. However, all in all, I would like to end this video here and also mention one more thing, that if you like the type of videos where I talk about how you can make money, how you can do stuff that will help you with your daily life, help you pay your bills and all that kind of stuff, I am always looking forward to do that, and I'm always looking forward to help you guys. If you also want to learn about businesses that I have done in the past and also that I do now, make sure you comment down below. You can ask me any type of question. I will definitely make a video on that. I have few videos coming up really soon, which will be top 10 phones under 10,000 taka, also top 10 phones under 15,000 taka. So I'm doing that with Xiaomi, Walton, Lava, and probably a few other companies. However, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and be a part of it, because we are doing some great stuff this year, and I'm hoping to release as many videos as I possibly can. And if you think about why I just get inactive for a while, just know that I have other businesses which I have to run, so that's a big reason why I just go away for a little bit of time. Anyways, as I said, if you want to learn about forex, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, if you want to learn about any kind of stuff, just hit me a DM in my Facebook page that will be linked in the description box down below, or just comment down below. That's the easiest way. I check my comments every now and then, so just comment down below and I will reply back to you. If needed, I will talk to you personally and then we can get things sorted. I hope that this video has really helped you on how to make money playing games online or offline or whatever it is. And make sure to also take part in the giveaway that we will be doing really soon. It is coming up on the 20th of February. We will do the giveaway on 20th of February and we will end the giveaway on the 5th of March. So this will be 15 days. If we see that participants are really low, we'll extend the date a little bit, but it won't be too much. So I hope you have really enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of that. And I will see you guys in the next video. So take care, guys. This is Akiras from Zars Tech. Goodbye. Peace.
Nothing means more to me than this game.
I wish things were different. Trust me, Arthur. Just
I don't want to.
Oh,